Another interesting way to ask questions from all the learners is to make them respond using images. Now to do that, click on Magic Box. The third last option on the row is of a throw. So here you have a screen with you. You need to ask all your learners to answer a question that you would ask them using the hybrid learning model. So for example, I want to ask a question says, what makes you happy? So how they need to answer this is they can either use their companion app and register, or they can use the URL which you can give to your learners and then go on to the throw option. They can use two types here, two ways to answer the questions. The first one is to use camera. So they can either click the picture immediately, or in case they want to browse the picture, they can do that as well. So let me quickly browse a picture that makes me happy. Selected one option, it's getting uploaded. So what makes you happy is the question, and I would get the reply in a kind of a picture or an audio here. So once I get it, it would reflect on my screen here. So let us just quickly see what's an answer. All right, I have one. Okay, Gagan has answered this. Let me just drag and drop it on the screen and see what makes Gagan really, really happy. Oh, laddus! Something that makes Gagan happy is sweets. So in this way, I can ask all my learners to answer to the question using images or using audios.